Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to crochet the round petal flower. For this pattern, you're going to need to know how to single crochet and double crochet. If you need help with that, you can check down in the description below for my videos on how to do those stitches. So to get started for round 1, you are going to chain 4, and then from the 4th chain from the hook, or the very last stitch, you are going to work 11 double crochets. Now that you have your 11 double crochets, you're going to join with a slip stitch. So for round 2, we are going to start off by chaining 4, and then you're going to double crochet in the next stitch. Then the repeat for this round is going to be chaining 2 and then double crocheting in the next stitch. You'll repeat this all the way around, and then you will join with a slip stitch at the end. So here we are at round 3. We are going to start off by chaining 3, and we are going to work a double crochet in that chain 2 space. Now the repeat for round 3 is going to be chaining 2 and working 2 double crochets in the next chain 2 space, and you'll repeat this all the way around and then join with a slip stitch at the end. Now here we are on round 4. We're going to start off by chaining 1, and you're going to do a single crochet in between the 2 double crochets from the previous row. So locate the in between those 2 double crochets. You are going to work a single crochet in between that. Then you are going to work on the repeat, which is going to be chaining 5 and working a single crochet in between the next 2 double crochets. And you'll repeat this all the way around. So again, it's chaining 5 and single crocheting in between those 2 double crochets from the previous round. Now that you're done, you're going to join with a slip stitch, and then you are going to work 2 slip stitches in the next 2 stitches to get us into the middle of that chain 5. So for round 5, we are going to start off by working a single crochet in that chain 5 space. Then we are going to be working 9 double crochets in the next chain 5 space. And the repeat for this round after this, the repeat is going to be single crocheting in the next chain 5 space, followed by working 9 double crochets in the next chain 5 space. And you'll repeat this all the way around, and then you will join with a slip stitch and fasten off your work. So here we are, just finishing off our 9 double crochets into that chain 5 space. And then you will join with a slip stitch. And that's how you make the rounded petal flower. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a like, and I'll see you guys in the next crocheting video. I hope that you have a happy crochet day.